here, this is a very small group. However, they are a very competitive group. This group does not like to lose, no matter the circumstance. I have a couple examples. At the Chillicothe game, this group was down 30-0 going into the fourth quarter. Chillicothe had just scored, and our team's coming to the sideline. And I never told the group this, but I had that thought in my mind. I'm like, okay, we just need to, not let them score again, and we're going to lose by 30, and, it is what it is. When this group came off the sideline, I could clearly see that they were not ready to give up, that we had to continue to try to win the football game. So I want to tell you guys, thank you for giving me the chance to coach you guys in situations like that. Against the Kirksville game, we were down 14-0. Coming out of halftime, and they were able to come back and tie that as well. In the game, 14-14. As I said earlier, this group, they're very competitive. They don't like to lose. They are very close on the football field. I would just ask that you guys continue to carry these traits, not only in the game of football, but in the game of life as well. I think that you guys are more capable of doing that, and that's something that I challenge you to. And lastly, just remember that winning should be important to you, whether you're on the football field, if you have a concert this Thursday night, or if you have an academic test coming up, that should be important to you. But understand that there's going to come a time in your life that it doesn't matter what the marshalling game was your 8th grade year or how well you did in that concert on Thursday night, but it's going to be how you prepare for those wins and losses that will ultimately define you. So I just ask that you enjoy the moment and never be afraid to fail.
Hi, as most of you know, my name is Coleman. I'm going to start out with a few thank yous, then read a few of my favorite quotes. First of all, I'd like to thank God for giving me the opportunity to do what I love. I would also like to thank all the coaches I've ever had in any sport for pushing me to be the best I can be. Next, I want to thank my family for supporting me and everybody else who came and supported us. I would also like to thank the teachers for putting up with us and supporting us. Finally, I want to thank Mr. Troutman. I want to thank him for coming to all our home games and even some of our away games to take pictures. Here are a few quotes I'd like to share. The difference between a champion and a loser is the mindset. Once you put your mindset where a winner's mindset is, there isn't anybody that can stop you. William Paul said this. Tim Tebow read this in his speech and said, "You can't lose confidence in yourself or you've lost already. When you get knocked down, you've got to keep getting back up." The final one is mainly to the players tonight. Ray Lewis once said, "In any war, you put your back to mine, I put my back to yours, and let's do what we gotta do." Thank you.
Hi, my name is Xavier Sauter, and I'm the captain for the 8th grade squad. We have gone 2-2-1 7 on half in the third inning, but this game is just a little bit more important. In this game, we play our bit over rivals. We play the Marceline Tigers, and for us, it's the biggest games in our lives today. It is time for us to have the spotlight, for us to get the glory, but we have to work every single day for it. I'd like to thank all my coaches from when I started sports to now. My grandmothers who have got my stuff ready every single day. I'd like to thank my team who's taught me many life lessons over the years. I'd like to thank the cheerleaders who always pump up the crowd. Also the manager who helped us through every day. And I'd like to thank all the people that come to our games. Thank you. Go Dogs.
Woo!
As many of
of you know, my name is Reed Larson. I had the privilege of being a captain on the 8th grade football team this year. I'd like to start off by thanking a few people. I'd like to thank my sister and my dad for toughening me up a lot since 3rd grade. I'd like to thank my mom and again my sister for always being there for me. I'd like to thank all the coaches I've had since 3rd grade to prepare me up to this moment. I'd like to thank everyone who played this year for putting your all in every practice and every game leading up to this. Vince Lombardi once said, "The difference between a successful person and others is not lack of strength, not lack of knowledge, but rather lack of will." I don't think anybody that has worn a blue and white jersey and has stepped out on the Burlington field on Tuesday night has a lack of will. I have no doubt everyone playing tonight will put their heart on the line, not for themselves, not for their reputation. We're going to go out there to play for our school, our town, and this family we have built. We are going to put our heart on the line as soon as we step on that field with a big M on it. I believe that if each and every one of us goes out there and shows no fear, no doubt we will win this game tonight because we are the Bulldogs and we fight when it matters most. Thank you.
Hey, most of you guys know me. My name's Garrett Wood, and I am proud to be a captain for the 8th grade football team. I want to start off by thanking some people. I want to thank my parents for being there for me every game and cheering for me. I want to thank Mr. Troutman for coming to a lot of our games and taking pictures. I also want to thank all of the coaches for coaching us to be the best that we can be. I also want to thank the cheerleaders for coming out to our games and cheering for us. I want to thank the teachers for teaching me and the team. We had some rough games, but we never gave up no matter how hard it got. Babe Ruth once said, "It's hard to beat a person who never gives up." In the game versus Chillicothe, we were down 30-0 going in the 4th quarter. And we fought hard and we didn't win, but it was a win for me, and I'm sure it was a win for some of my teammates because we didn't give up and we fought until the end. Michael Jordan once said, "I've failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." In that game, we basically went against Yao Ming, and if you don't know who Yao Ming is, he's an NBA player who is 7 feet tall. Looking back at the past, we have grown as a team and now we're family. Let's go beat them Tigers tonight.